In Maya, very often you would want to select faces that has the same angle. Like, for example, here, I want to select all the flat faces at once. And the easiest way to do it is to use angle constraints within your selection tool. So if you go to Tool Settings, and here you will see Selection Constraint, and you can choose angle, let's say 45. So now I can select all the faces at once, just like that. And the other way to switch on and off angle constraint would be to use hotkey Command Shift and right mouse button. And here it is. You can choose selection constraint off, and now you can select only individual polygons again. However, I found that the easiest way for me to use script. You can find link in the description. Basically, it toggle angle constraint on and off for any component selection. When I activate it, I have my angle constraint again, so I'm selecting all the flat faces at once, and if I click again, now I go back to just single polygon selection. Let me show you how you can add your script. If you go to script editor and you clear everything, you choose Mel, then you copy and paste the script from the text file. And then you can go File and save script to shelf. And you just need to write name. Click OK. And now you have a script. Let's check it out. So currently I'm selecting just single polygons. And if I click here, now I select all the flat areas at once. If you want to change the icon, you just go here, click Edit, Shelves, and here you can add custom icon, or feel free to use the same icon I use here. And the only thing to remember is when you open Maya first, if you start using script, you will use constraint 0, so you will still need to go to Tool Settings and change number here for the first time. And after that, every time you use script, you will switch your selection constraint off and on. And also, if you use it all the time, then you can go and assign a custom hotkey to your script. So the hotkey I'm using is Command 3. Now I select the flat areas, and if I click Command 3, I switch to selection. And to do that, you need to go to Windows, Settings Preference, Hotkey Editor. Then you can create a new script, and just do the same. Choose Mel language and paste the script here, and save it as a runtime command. And then here in a custom script, you will see your custom script, and here you can assign your any custom hotkeys that will work for you. I hope you will find it useful. Thanks for watching.